welcome. In this video I'm going to show you open Airdrop that can potentially make you money. Okay, so they are rising their fund, but it's easy to do. I'm just showing you really quick how do you join in here. So this is crypto rank, and they need upgrade version for getting the guide link. So we will not go through it, we will go their website for getting it, because we don't want to buy crypto rank any membership. Okay, so we will just found out the Airdrop where this is running is. If you don't found this stuff in here, you can go through. Just I'm showing you their Twitter, their social media. Okay, come into crypto rank, and here their social is open for you. So I'm going to go through their Twitter, so just seeing what kind of program they are running. Okay, so I just really quick found it out. Okay, so I found out it. Okay, come snack your exclusive roles. Head to the Discord. Okay, go through it, find the secret channel, hunt the hidden early access spot, climb your role, follow the step, grab your bridge, and bask in your early access. Early after will get that is coming. This they put in there. So go through their Discord. Okay, Discord is loading up. Join their Discord and get the role. So really we just get verified. Just click the open and added role seed. Okay, so just found out the hidden room. There is no hidden room available in here. Share links, start here. If I click on the start here, I already get it. Okay, so click on the open emotion to get access to the server. Welcome server. To gain access all its features and channels, please verify your channel by clicking the open emoji below. Okay, please also make sure to check out rules before you start sharing. Watch for scammers, look forward to seeing the site. Okay, so we already get it. Now it's time to just so everything is awesome. Nothing got anything. Okay, so this is the work, and you need to get the roles. Okay, early access roles. Okay, so I already showed you how to do in here. Okay, come snag exclusive roles. Okay, and early Airdrop get something. Okay, get Airdrop. Okay, so probably it makes sense to you.